Season greetings, everyone. As we embrace the holiday season, we hope you find time to relax, reconnect with loved ones, and reflect on all that we've accomplished this year.
For 60 years, Saginaw Valley State University has been committed to the tradition of being a university for everyone. This year, we marked an incredible milestone, our 60th anniversary. Along the way, we celebrated many remarkable achievements that make us proud to be part of this thriving community.
Wow, it's been a year full of growth, success, and pride. And these are just some of the many accomplishments we achieved together. We are deeply grateful to be part of this incredible Cardinal family.
I want to thank each and every one of you, students, faculty, staff, alumni, and friends of SVSU, for your dedication, resilience, and unwavering support. On behalf of the entire SVSU community, we wish you and your loved ones a joyful holiday season filled with peace and joy. Happy holidays.